The last two. 1 and 2. Starlight project has been completed. This is very hard to do it, but when it comes to easy steps, everything is easy. The wires are attached to the lighter. I put the screw on the body and put the ground there, and we're going to test it. And look at the lighting, it's looking perfect. I'm going to put all the pillars back. This is how I routed. Look at the lighting changing. It's looking so beautiful. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the Starlight issues. After installing the Starlight, got a big problem that within a couple days, battery is getting drained. If you're driving your car on a regular basis, then you don't see a problem. If over the weekend you did not drive it and on Monday when you're going to start it, you're going to have a problem. It won't start because the battery has been drained. That's the most common problem if you did not hook up your star lighting right. As you can see, how beautiful the Starlight looks in my Hummer. You can watch my video on my other channel, which is Easy Step, and I have shown you the whole routing of the wires, everything. What I have done it, I'm going to take this one out, re-unplug the lighter. As you remember in my previous video that I hooked up to this lighter, I put the T-tap connectors on these two wires. So what happens that if I turn off the star lighting, and the star lighting has been off, but if you look at the red light, that is still on. If we are driving the car on regular basis, then you're not going to see the problem because the battery will charge itself. If you let the car sit for a couple days and you don't drive it, and then battery gonna be drained. That what did I do wrong? This is 12 volt coming to the lighter, which stays on all the time. So what we need to do, we need to put a switch between this wiring to our controller switch. When you turn it on, it will supply the power to the controller switch. Then you can turn it on just like this, change the lighting as you need it. I'm going to drill a hole and I'm going to put on off switch right here. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. I took out the faceplate and it's very easy. This one has the tabbing. You just press it from inside or pull it from outside. Cut it open. I inserted the switch and now I'm going to press it and flush to the body. And it snaps in, it locks in. The switch is installed, and if you look at the controller switch, there is no red light on. Once I turn it on, you will see it lights up. Turn it off from here, it will turn off. So now it's on, and now I can use on off switch from here and it will light up. So that's how it's easy and a simple fix. You can install a switch. I can turn it off from here. The light will stay on because the current is continuously flowing. So if I turn it on again, and I can turn it off from here and it will shut off everything, and now you won't have that issue. So I hope simple tip will help you out. So if you have any question, please comment below. So if you found this video to be helpful, like always, for more Hummer videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.